Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this oven bake cranberry raisin rice recipe. It is super easy and I know you guys are definitely going to love the burst of flavor here in this rice. So the first thing we'll do is add 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow this to melt, then you're going to add your aromatics. That is just simply your onion, garlic, ginger, and some pepper, which is optional. Then you're going to wash your rice until the water runs clear. Pour that into the pan right here. This part right now, guys, is very important. I mean, you don't have to, but if you want your raisin rice to be extra delicious, you're going to toast it up for about 5 minutes. All right. Season, and you are going to add your water. Of course, if you're using stock or seasoned stock, you're not going to want to add any seasoning here. Just use your stock. Toast and add your stock. But since we're going to add our water. Give that a good stir. Now here is where you taste and adjust. And you place that in the oven, let it cook 350 degrees for about 35 minutes. And you're on your way to some fluffy, delicious rice. And this is the base. So to another pot, I added some corn, carrots, onion, ginger, and I am adding my cranberry and raisins, which I washed, drained, and then I added here. Toast it up, seasoned. Then after about 3 minutes, you're going to go in with your steamed rice. Give this a good stir. Mixed everything well. Now let me tell you a little secret. You are going to add to this rice just a tad bit, like 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, just a little bit, and you are going to mix everything in well. Voila. This is it, guys. Perfection. And you see how easy it is? I know you guys can do this. This was eaten with some amazingly fall off the bone, honey, Jamaican jerk barbecue chicken. I'll leave the link in the description box for that. So be kind to yourself and each other, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye now. Love you guys.